Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add energies to MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then go and click on this dollar symbol here. Now make sure that you link your MT4 with a broker. Then go to MetaTrader and click on Energies group. And now as you can see, these are the energies symbols that are available in my broker. We have here the US oil, the crude oil, we have the Brent, and we have the gas, natural gas. So let's say, for example, I want to add crude oil, click on it, and click on show symbol. And let's add, for example, also the Brent, oil Brent, click on it, and click show symbol, and click on OK. Now all you have to do is click on it, drag it, and drop it here on the chart, as you can see. So this is the US oil, crude oil, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.